All around us, children's imagination blooms in bursts of color, invention, and wonder. Sometimes, all a child needs is a handful of simple materials, a sheet of paper, a pair of scissors, maybe a dab of glue, to unlock a world of creativity and self-expression. In this celebration of youthful artistry, let's discover how kids can transform everyday items into amazing crafts, opening the door to fun, learning, and boundless imagination. The heart of every great craft starts with an idea, a spark that can be as simple as wanting to make something beautiful. For kids, the most ordinary materials become the building blocks of extraordinary creations. Paper, old magazines, buttons, yarn, and cardboard tubes. These are treasures just waiting for little hands and big ideas. When children craft, they learn to look at familiar objects in new ways. A toilet paper roll might become the body of a rocket, or an egg carton can turn into a tiny garden of painted flowers. Let's imagine the journey of a child as they step into the world of crafting. First, there's the thrill of gathering supplies. A bright piece of construction paper catches the eye. Popsicle sticks, markers, spare buttons, and glue are spread across the table. There's a sense of possibility in the air. The project might be as simple as creating a greeting card for a friend, or as adventurous as building a miniature birdhouse you can hang outside and watch as the birds visit. One classic and endlessly adaptable craft is paper folding, known as origami. With just a single sheet of paper, kids can practice patience and precision as they crease, fold, and shape their way to a fluttering paper butterfly or a nimble jumping frog. Each fold is a lesson in focus and dexterity, and the finished piece brings a sense of accomplishment and pride. If folding isn't quite the thing, how about crafting a colorful collage? Children can leaf through old magazines, snip out images and patterns, then glue their selections onto a big sheet of paper. In doing so, they explore composition, pattern, and color. Maybe their collage tells a story of a magical forest with friendly animals, or perhaps it's a wild mosaic of shapes and textures. Every snip and placement is a step in learning to create, layer, and transform. For little ones with a love of the outdoors, nature crafts are a perfect choice. A stroll through the garden or a walk in the park reveals smooth pebbles, interesting leaves, or pine cones dropped from trees. These humble findings can become beautiful works of art. Leaves dipped in paint and pressed onto paper make gorgeous natural prints, each one unique. Pebbles can be washed, painted, and assembled into cheerful rock animals, their faces shining with personality. Then there's the enduring joy of building with recycled materials. Empty boxes, bottle caps, and other toss-away items can be reinvented and reimagined. A cardboard box is never just a box. Today it's a spaceship. Tomorrow it's a dollhouse. And next week it's a stage for puppets painted from old socks and buttons. When children reuse and recycle in their art, they not only learn how to create, but also how to care for the world around them. Even simple crafts like friendship bracelets, made by weaving colorful yarn or strings, help kids practice patience and develop their fine motor skills. The finished bracelet becomes a symbol of friendship and the joy of giving. Or perhaps they'll string together a garland of paper flowers, each bloom a creation of careful cutting and folding. Seasonal crafts also bring families together. In the autumn, leaves collected and pressed can frame a hand-drawn family tree picture. During the winter holidays, paper snowflakes can be cut and hung in windows, everyone as unique as the tiny hands that made them. Springtime might bring tiny egg carton caterpillars, painted in bright greens and adorned with pipe cleaner antennae. As kids craft, they learn more than art. They practice problem-solving, planning, and perseverance. That glue might not stick on the first try, or the paint might smear, but every mistake is a chance to try again or find a new way. The joy is in the doing, the delight of discovery every step along the way. Crafting is also a powerful tool for connection. Families can gather around the table to share supplies and exchange ideas. Children might lead the way in inventing an entirely new craft, or adults can offer gentle guidance when needed. In these moments, stories are shared, laughter rings out, and confidence grows. For children eager to make something that lasts, there are endless possibilities. Creating a personalized bookmark can make reading adventures even more special. Decorating a flower pot gives kids ownership over a growing plant. Turning handprints into animals opens up conversations about wildlife and the natural world. Each of these crafts, though simple, is a small legacy of creativity. Perhaps the truest magic is in watching a child's pride as they see their finished work displayed. A painted rock on the windowsill, a homemade card propped on the mantel, a decorated frame capturing a family memory. These projects build more than art. They build self-esteem, perseverance, and a lifelong love of making. In the digital age, screens often compete for attention. But there's something irreplaceable about the tactile, sensory experience of hands-on crafting. The scratch of a crayon across construction paper, the squish of glue, the satisfying snip of scissors. These moments awaken all the senses and give kids a calming, tangible way to express what's inside. And when crafts are shared, as gifts for friends and family, as decorations for classroom walls, or as tokens of appreciation, they become threads that tie together communities. Each creation is a reminder that, with just a little imagination, even the simplest things can be made extraordinary. So, for every parent, teacher, or caregiver seeking a way to inspire, foster, or simply entertain a child, remember that the best crafts don't need fancy supplies or complicated instructions. They just need time, a little encouragement, and permission to dream. In the hands of kids, any day can become an adventure, any object a story, and any moment a memory made real. The next time you see a curious glint in a child's eye as they rummage through a box of craft supplies, know that they are about to embark on a journey of creation, discovery, and joy. All the world's greatest artists once started here, with scissors, glue, and a spark of imagination. Today's masterpieces might be made with glitter and tape, but their true value shines in the confidence, happiness, and lifelong love of creativity they inspire. And in that, kids really do create the most amazing things.